Hey, ever heard of Nodox? Maybe you know if it by its more scientific name, Ciprofloxacin. It's one of those antibiotics you might get handed. But what exactly is this little tablet doing in your body? And you don't need to worry about anything. Let's break it down. Ciprofloxacin or Novidate is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It means it's like a Swiss army knife. For fighting a wide range of bacteria, doctors usually pull it out to tackle urinary tract infections, those unusually persistent UTIs. But it's also used for chest infection like bronchitis and even some stomach bugs that just won't be quit. Skin, soft tissue, bones, joints, you name it. Ciprofloxacin probably been there. So how do you take it? Usually the classic dose is 500 mg twice a day. But and this is super important, always follow your doctor's prescription. Don't just Google what your friend took. The dose can change based on the type and severity of your infection. Most of the time, you will be told to take it with a glass of water and try to keep your stomach empty. So before a meal is perfect. Here's a weird one. Don't take it with milk, yogurt or anything
because it
rich
can
in
mess with
calcium.
how well your body absorbs the medicine.
Now let's talk side effects. Most people do fine, but you might feel a bit nauseous or get an upset stomach. Some folks notice headaches, dizziness, or even a mild rash. If you get diarrhea, it's usually mild. But if severe or does not go away, tell your doctor. But here, my serious face. Rarely, ciprofloxacin can be cause things like tendon pain, especially if you're older, or numbers and tingling, which could mean never issue. If you start feeling confused, anxious, and have trouble breathing, don't wait, get medical help right away. Quick tips: don't use Novidate pregnant or breastfeeding unless your doctor is absolutely sure you need it. If you get dizzy, skip the driving and heavy lifting, and always finish the full course, even if you feel better halfway through. Stopping are
Easily.
how superbugs are born. So that's Novidate or Ciprofloxacin in a nutshell. Stay smart, follow your doctor's